I'm saying that, sorry guys, I don't know if I just wanted to put it on to you guys. If you can hear that, I can't really answer comments right now, but you can see some of the comments all you want. I just read them after this video, okay? Okay? Okay. I'll get back to it. By the way, if you guys can see the video, that would be great. Hey guys, that was too long. You guys probably couldn't hear it, but you're saying somewhat into the thanks you guys for saying pretty good to me. It was just truth my day out. Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry, I don't know what I would do today. Yeah. Thanks, guys.